So as you can see, it's a standard Apple Mac. What I'm going to do, I haven't got Zoom open. What I have done is go to the Zoom website, so zoom.us. So I've done this already, as it just makes life easier. So if you go to zoom.us, it comes up with the website. I don't know why that's taken a while to load. Of course, it always does when you're doing a demo. And you can just do sign up. It's free, and just download and install the software. So because I've already done that, I'm going to go to my launchpad here and type in Zoom. That's what the icon looks like. So I'm going to click on there. And then this will pop up. So basically it's asking me to log in. So I've already signed in with Zoom. Sorry, not with Zoom, with Facebook. So what I will do is I'm actually going to sign out to show you what you'll be faced with. So let's sign out now. Let's do that again as if I'm not actually signed in already. Let's go Zoom. Okay, so join a meeting or sign in. So if I want to hold or host a meeting, this is what I do. I click sign in. If I haven't already created an account, I can do sign up for free. I've signed up with Facebook, so I click on sign in with Facebook. That's going to pop up the authentication in the background. And there we go. So this is the main screen that you use when you're trying to create a meeting in Zoom. This button here is really the main bit. So I would click on here. Whoops, there we go. So actually click the icon. Whoa, there we go. So you've got me on double screen now from both angles. I'm not sure which one is my better. So just to explain what some of these buttons do. So at the bottom here, you can see the microphone kind of in green flickering away. So that's using the internal microphone of my computer. Now, if I wanted to, I haven't got them set up right now, but if I wanted to, I could have Bluetooth headphones, and as long as they're connected to the computer before I log in, it will be as an option here. So select a microphone, I'd select these if they had a microphone on. If not, I'd use the built-in microphone. And if not, then I'd use the select speaker, which would be these. If you don't want to worry about any of that stuff, don't do any of it. Just use the speaker and the microphone that's built in as part of Zoom. So if at any point I don't want people to hear what I'm saying, and then you wouldn't be able to hear me, the people watching me wouldn't be able to hear me. So to unmute that, I do that. And if I want to stop the video, if I don't want people to see me because I'm going to the toilet or something, I would click that. And you'll see that that will pop up just the picture that I'd uploaded probably from my Facebook page. And again, I can click start and that does that. So you can record. So you can click here, you can click record. And what that will do is now record everything that's going on. So if I've got multiple people on the screen, that's going to record them there. And here's how you would invite someone. So you click on invite and that pops up another little window. So the simplest way to do this is, I find anyway, is to go copy invitation, go into my email and do new. Let's move that out of the way. Let's say I was sending it to David. So I do that and then I put invite to Zoom call. And then I would click on here and I would paste, so Control and V, the invitation. Now when he sends that, he's basically going to get a link. So if he's already got Zoom installed on his computer or on his phone or on his tablet, he could just click this link here and it will just open up automatically. If he wants to, I don't know if you remember, but when we first went into Zoom, there was the option to type in join a meeting and you could type in a meeting ID and a password. This is that information. And then the other stuff you can do is if your internet connection is not that great, or if you want someone to join a Zoom call but they don't have video and they've just got a normal phone with them, they can actually dial any of these numbers and it will connect them in via voice. So sometimes you'll see Zoom calls where there's no video, there's just a picture. So that's the quickest way to get someone to do that. Let's close that and shrink that down. Okay, so the other way you can do it, if you want an even quicker way of getting someone, is you would do copy URL. So if you do copy URL, let me just show you again what that does. If I go into my email again and go here, then what you'll see is you just get that bit. So that's really cool because you can WhatsApp someone and they can pick up the message. They literally can click in it from WhatsApp and they can connect in. So that's a really quick way of doing that. So basically, once you're in a call, what happens is obviously you can talk and you can do stuff like that. You can also do some cool stuff like this. So if I click on Manage Participants, I'll see the people that are here. And if you've got lots of people and they're all trying to talk at the same time, click on the mute button and that will mute the people. So that's quite good. And I'm trying to see if I've got something here. Oh yeah, so you've got some other options about how people can mute and not mute. So we can get rid of that. And the other thing you can do is share screen. So this is really cool. So if I click on share screen, what this will do, so you see I had Chrome up before. I can click on any of the things that I've got that I'm working on, and I can click on it. So let's click on Chrome, for example. And if I do share, now what will happen, this is going to get a bit weird, but now what can happen is that everyone can see the Chrome page that I'm working on. I can Google stuff, I can do stuff, and that means that they can basically see what I'm doing. You can also, I think in share screen, go to files. You can now choose files from your storage and they can work on those files as well. So you can have like everyone working on a file at the same time. Chat's pretty good. So the chat button, you basically can talk to everyone who's on the things. There might be 50 people there. You can, hi everyone, because sometimes you don't want to say something. You might just want to do something or copy some notes and things like that. And then when you're done, all you have to click is this, end meeting. Oh, there's one other thing. You can't see it here because there's only me on the call. But actually, do you know what? I'm going to try something here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do invite. I'm going to do copy URL. I'm going to go to a text message. I'm going to click on that because I know that goes to my phone. Okay, so here we go. Let me get that out of the way, just so I can show you what's going on here. So I've got my phone. I'm now inviting myself to a call. So here we go. So this is what they'll get. It looks like that. I don't know if you can see that very well. Maybe up there's better. Okay, so they get like a Zoom invitation. So I'm gonna do this backwards. I'm gonna click on that. So you can see Zoom is coming up, connecting. Okay. I've just received a Zoom meeting request. So actually this is a great example. So I'm going to click on here. My friend Peter, so he sent me the link. So I'm going to click on there. And because I'm already logged in, it's going to know that. It's going to launch Zoom. And then always show video. I've got that so that it's on when I join. And if I do join with video, as if by magic, it should work. Hi, Peter! So I don't know how good a demo that was, but that's Zoom. Bye. So I'm not sure how good a training video that was, but hopefully it can help. And here's a couple of screenshots of some other video calls that I've been doing over the last week to show you just what's possible. Speak to you soon. Bye.